Okay, end of Module 5 review test, 4th grade, number 2. Here we go. Fill in the circles below with less than, equal to, or greater than to make true number sentences. Use decomposition or multiplication to justify your answers. I like to think of the decomposition as being a number bond. Really helps me because number bonds are just addition. So if I can show through addition that it works, then number bond's the way I'll go. Otherwise, I need to use a multiplication sentence, which also works. When I look at 5 and try to compare it to 36ths, I either need 36ths to be in a whole number or a mixed number, or I need 5 to be in a fraction. I like the number bonds, so I just want to pull out 6/6 to show that I have 1, and then I can do another 6/6 to show 2, and another 6/6 to show 3, and another 6/6 to show 4, and then I check, 6, 12, 18, 24. Oh, I can still do another 6/6, and now I have 36. Well, how many holes is that? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes. So since 36 is the same as 5, these two are equal. You could have done 5 and turned it into 6 by going 5 times 6 equals 30. And so you would have had 36ths equals 36ths. So again, shows that they are equal. B, I have 8 1/3 on one side and 30/3 on the other side. I would like to turn 30/3 into a mixed number so that I can see if it's bigger or smaller than 8. So I can start and go 3/3 and 3/3, but this might take a lot of time, right? So another thing I can be thinking is, could I do a bigger number at once? So I know that 12/3 would equal 4, and then another 12/3 would equal 4. That gives me 24. Then I'm just left with 6/3, which is 2. So 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 2 equals 10. So 30/3 equals 10, which is definitely larger than 8, right? 10 is bigger than 8. Another way you could do that problem is to change the 8 1/3 into fractions, into an improper fraction or a fraction greater than 1. How we do that is we would go 8 times 1/3 plus our leftover 1/3. That is not how we would do it. I'm crazy. We would go 8 times 3 equals 24. So 24/3 is equal to 8 plus the 1/3. So we have 24/3 plus 1/3 would be 25/3. 25/3 is less than 30/3, so we are still correct. All right, letter C, here we go. 10/5 compared to 27/9. So we could ask, my favorite question, is 10/5 bigger or smaller than 1? 10/5 is bigger than 1. Prove it. Well, we prove it by taking out 5/5 and another 5/5. So 10/5 is really the same as 2. And now we do the same for 27/9. We do 9/9 comes out. I can pull out another 9/9 because that's 18/9. And then I can pull out another 9/9. And that gets me to exactly 27. So 27 is equal to 3. 2 is less than 3. Or 3 is greater than 2. I'm going to stop here to make sure that we're recording, and I'll do the next one on another video.